Hi everybody, this is Matt, and I wanted to give you another tech tip on gunsmithing and introduce you to a product that I've come to love, and it's called a MicroMesh touch-up stick. Now in gunsmithing, a lot of times what you're going to be doing is polishing parts, and the first option that a lot of people think of is to use a Dremel tool. And a Dremel tool can actually remove a heck of a lot of material, and you can end up with more problems than what they're worth. Well, in looking for alternatives, one day I was introduced to a MicroMesh touch-up stick by a guitar maker, a luthier as it were. And this has turned out to just be absolutely fantastic for me when it comes to some small jobs with gunsmithing. Basically, the grits that you have on this core are 2400 grit, 4000, and then 12,000, which can bring everything to a very high polish. So to give you an example, this is my grandfather's, one of my grandfather's pocket knives. And as you can see, it has had some issues. And so I'm going to use the MicroMesh here to give it a quick polish and just to actually demonstrate to you what this can do. And as you can see, this is really pitted, it's had a lot of abuse, but with this I'm not going to really be removing a whole lot of material. I'm just going to simply go very easy with it, and then I'm going to check my work, and then after I do that I'm going to change the grits. So bear with me here for just a second. Okay, you can see the difference already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change to the higher grit and give this just a little bit of a polish. And the reason I'm doing this is I like to impart knowledge to people, and this is something that has saved my bacon a lot of times, and hopefully it'll do the same for you. And you can just pass it along forward. So give this a little bit more, and now I'm going to switch over to the finest grit size, which is 12,000. And normally this would take a very long time to do because we're not removing a whole lot of material, but I want to keep this video short and to the point. So let's see what we've got. Look at that finish compared to right here. Big difference. Let me get it up closer to the camera for you so you can see. Notice the difference there in the shine. Anyway, think what this can do for you when it comes to gunsmithing work. It can save you time. It won't remove a lot of material for you and get everything to a really high luster without putting a lot of heat into something, which with a rotary style tool it's real easy to do. So I guess your next question to me would be, okay, where do I find these things? You could check anywhere for luthier supplies, but where I get mine at is I get mine from Stuart McDonald, and it's just simply stewmac.com, just like in beef stew, STEUMAC.com. And what you want to do is you want to look for MicroMesh touch-up sticks. Now they have other abrasives as well, but for me this really does the trick. So MicroMesh, it can really help you out with gunsmithing, and until next time, be safe and have a good one.